Today I'll be giving you computer specifications on my not-so-lovely Chromebook. I just bought this Chromebook last year and it's made it very easy yet difficult for me to carry out everyday tasks, especially pertaining to schoolwork, because the operating system that I use is Chrome OS, you can see it here. Now I'll be using OS instead of saying operating system due to how repetitive it's going to be for me to say operating system as I'm referring to different operating systems during this discussion. Okay, now, Chrome OS is an open source operating system based on the Linux operating system, which we just learned about. Pretty cool. Now, my Chromebook is currently operating on version 78, which is the most up-to-date version for my Chromebook, as you can see. I use this OS because it makes it easier for me to perform research papers, do essays, blogs, and type in discussions like the one we're having right now. I also enjoy using Chrome because of its multiple safety features, or layers of safety and security. What it does is it encrypts your sensitive data on your Chromebook and protects it through a Google security chip that's installed into the Chromebook. Now, the operating system requires you to physically sign in to the laptop to even access anything. There you have to log into your Google account to access the Chromebook itself, which I think is pretty cool. Another awesome thing about this operating system is that it allows me to use Google products like Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Drive, and a lot of other products seamlessly, and everything synchronizes automatically on Chrome OS, which is pretty cool. Now, because I use Google to search for things so frequently, it's definitely an advantage to have the search button on my keyboard for this Chromebook, which is an awesome feature of a Chromebook. If you like to use Google's search drive, Chromebook is where it's at for you. Anyway, one of the disadvantages of using a Chrome operating system versus a Windows operating system is that you lose the accessibility to common software programs and applications, because Chrome OS is not as established as Windows OS or Mac OS, definitely. Prime example is this video I'm recording right now. I'm allowed to record, it allows me to record this video. However, embedding it into my discussion, not so easy. Even saving it to my files, my Google files, is not easy because Chromebooks are so different. They're a different breed of computer, and their operating system is a different breed as well. Now, another thing, every week I'm having to use my Windows 7 laptop instead of my Chromebook to actually post this discussion, which is really tasking. That's a big disadvantage for using Chrome OS versus Windows OS for me. Because Chrome OS is not as established as Windows or Mac, it can be pretty doggone difficult to find similar software applications to do the simple tasks that I'm trying to do for homework. Now, my operating system update strategy is non-existent because why? My Chromebook will update itself automatically. How do I know this? One of the awesome things about this, I'm going to show you right here. Right here. Your Chrome OS updates without any interruptions. It allows you to run through this thing like a hot knife through some butter. It's wonderful. But aside from that, all software updates are automatically performed on my Chromebook as they're released. All my system information is what I expect and nothing unusual occurs. If it does, I go in my settings here, I click on About Chrome OS, and I can either see what's new or what was updated on my Chromebook or get help with Chrome OS if there was something unfamiliar to me. And when I click on it, here's what it tells me. This is what was updated and this is what it does. And if I want to know how it works, I just click on Learn More. And that is it for my discussion for this week, guys. I hope you all liked it and gave me some great feedback. Thank you for your time.